So, how are you doing?
Oh, by the grace.
It's been a while. At least I don't see you around.
Sometimes I'm outside companies and doing something around.
I see. Remember that guy, Pento?
Yeah, Pento.
He pushed me on the ground the last time. I reported it to headmaster and he doesn't care. It seems he doesn't care about it.
Oh, what?
It's been 2 days now and he never made mention of it.
Pento, what happened?
Yes, he said that I failed him. But I gave him what he deserved. He didn't perform.
You didn't perform and Madam didn't correct you. You pushed? Why?
Yeah, he pushed me on the ground.
And what the headmaster said?
He and his gang, they were three.
And that gang, I saw them.
Yes.
I saw them.
You see, I think there is something going on between those students and headmaster because he seems unconcerned. Whenever I report something to him, he seems unconcerned.
So headmaster didn't say anything.
He said he's going to deal with them, and then it's been 2 days. I've not heard anything. And then I remember when I was entering, I met them, headmaster and one of the gang, but the lady.
That means you are not sick.
I'm telling you.
This guy, this group, you are dealing with them.
I think there is something fishy going on. It could be between the headmaster and those gangs. I don't know why he's scared of them. I have no idea what exactly is going on.
No, this group have to live here.
Yeah.
Because me, headmaster, the way headmaster behave, something is going on.
Even myself, I lost interest already. Because you can't allow students to disrespect me and then you keep quiet without saying anything. You understand?
Why do you beat Madam Kwekwe?
Who?
Madam Kwekwe.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not beat Madam Kwekwe.
He just informed me that you are pushing to the floor.
Me?
Yeah.
No, it's not true.
Are you sure?
Master, how many times you asked me? I said that. It's not true.
Let me tell you. You have to focus on your education. You have to learn hard. But when you go education, I will see the only education. But when you go,
Master, meaning I did here, no, I'm not by my education. That's why I'm sitting here. Maybe a street boy. Me na do free access into na me ma force me on my view. You understand? You master yourself now. Your master work na me funny focus. You understand? Oh, master do now here.
there's other one must be flat here.
No, I'm not came here to learn. No. Me I learn brand man be me. Me want to push me as I could. On to you know me bending them. Master. And let me give you advice.
Give me advice?
Yes.
The whole school master?
I know. Your education now with the master now, our former. Education now with the master now, our former. And I was asking. And the man from my baby say, "Let me to me for. I be me what of foot. Who are foot to be a for master working and a fire. Why? Now I'm not sitting here. Let me wait. Give me. Clara.
Nana.
Clara.
Yeah.
Clara.
Nana.
How many times have I called you?
3 times.
Clara, see, this campus that we are, there are a lot of people here that respect me a lot. So you can't come and disrespect me because of that so-called Samuel or someone or whatever.
What's the right thing?
I saw you the other time having a meeting with him. What kind of meeting are you guys? Are you guys having over there?
He was just advising us.
On what?
Customers.
On what?
To learn hard.
So can't I advise you to, learn hard? Or don't you even know that you have to learn hard?
I know it.
See, Clara, listen to me. If you want us to continue this relationship, I don't want to see you closer to him again. You are my woman and you have to respect my orders.
But he's a good guy.
Listen to me. I am the man. Whatever I say is final. Besides, there are a lot of girls here, but I choose you. I'm not mad. I know what I want. So if you don't get the mission, let me understand you so that I know you and go for another person.
Then you better do so. Because he hasn't done anything wrong.
Can you hear yourself?
Of course.
I better do so.
Yeah.
So you're going to ignore me for that guy? No, I'm going to ignore me for that guy.
That's what he wants.
That's what I'm trying to protect what I have.
You can't shout for me. Lower your voice, please. You can't.
Oh.
Yeah.
See.
He was just advising.
Listen to me. I don't have any girlfriend to protect. You are the only one that I'm going to protect. So anything that I'm going to do for you to stay away from that guy, I'm going to do.
I can
If
protect
you,
myself.
I'm not going to leave him. I'm going to let him leave you.
I can protect myself.
You can protect yourself.
Of course.
But you don't get a mind to tell yourself that I have to study. Until somebody can come to have to organize you guys and tell that you have to
Because
study.
you don't like learning. You don't.
Then make a biaka.
Of course. And yeah.
Right?
What the best thing I did, what the best thing. It's one who see of what. I have to listen to him.
Event of a teacher talking to you, you put your hand in your pocket. What you're doing is good. Is it good? No, listen. You're pushing madam fall down. Just like that. Beating madam. And you're not afraid. Why?
What is your problem?
My problem is that madam can't complain me. No, I have to discipline you.
You can beat me.
Oh yeah, what you did is not good. It's not well. I have to discipline you.
Discipline?
You, yes. Why are you doing that?
Afraid who?
No, at least, friend, a teacher. I'm teacher. Now, teacher talking to you, you have pocket inside. Like, you're okay. What?
What are you do?
You're shaking me. You're shaking me.
You know something? How do you talk like that?
I vote of teacher.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, because now you get beer, white party inside like me. So you are not afraid. Like you don't know.
You see the way you speak your English.
You're talking to teacher. You're a teacher.
Who is a teacher? The day you bring you the government will bring you here. No, me I saw your everything. You dey here no.
You saw me. I'm coming like a teacher. You saw me.
Oh
right.
You yourself, you know you are a teacher. There's a one person. Me, I know everything.
I don't know. Don't say that. You saw me. You see, I'm come like a teacher. You saw me. You didn't go school. That's with me.
I see your certificate.
You see my certificate? Yeah. Headmaster show you. My friend, don't say that in front of teacher. Don't say that. Why am I not pass?
So you know me. You know Printum.
But listen. The way you did to the madam is not good. But the way you write, that one madam will mark. If it's correct, madam will correct. If it's wrong, madam will take mark it down.
You did there?
No, I know they did there, but if you write, the people will come in front of our teacher. So if you want to correct, learn there.
Listen, you. I come and write mass. You fail me. Madam, then they be small on your body.
Think of me, my mass. If I fail you, yeah, I see something. Okay, Pento, you are talking to teacher.
I know your teacher. Say no.
Well, you shaming teacher like that?
Yeah. You know, me go to the in school, let me tell you something. In school, I tears in a school one. And yes, be been in a bowl. You know, my real woman's and there. It's so bad to top. Now, my gym was so mad, and oh, Madame Quaco, so wine. You call yourself something like BB? Oh, me married. I talk to them for the maybe I'll give you sample.
Okay, it's okay. Fuck off. It's okay. This school crana. At this school, we headmaster. What boss? We don't take away. They can't tell them. Oh, shoot! Say the air. Don't pay. You see? When that about me catches a more transfer me. I won't become to school. I'm glad to start me. What kind of maka? We catch a new person. She said, "I'm going to become verify at the school before add me here." The school teacher, a student stand in front of a teacher warning me. What is all this?
Madam. Wait, I saw you here now. You pass here now. I'll call you. I don't mind me. Yeah, I'm trying to say something to you. I beg.
What is it?
I'm coming and give you apologize. That day, the way I'm doing something, you know, you go and sit down and think something. I mean, I don't understand the way I'm pushing you. You understand?
Are you sure this apology is coming from your heart?
Oh, from my own heart. You understand? I beg.
You need to change your ways.
Oh, I changed. Say I'm not changing. I'm not coming here and give you that nice apologize. You understand what I'm saying?
I hear.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm sorry, madam. You are saying. Oh, just I'm asking. I beg. I know say you are my madam. I'm asking. You are saying.
What is your problem?
I just say something to me, okay? Yes or no? Okay, nice one. You are a nice girl.
And so, you never change.
Oh, I'm changing. I did my road. I did that road. I'm DJ.
So what is your nice?
I see why you see your body. Say you are a nice lady. No be so. Madam. Wow. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Hello, madam. Very sorry.
What is it?
Very sorry. I see your nyash, you know. No be easy for me. I see your nyash, and I say, my heart, you know. You do like this, you do like this, you do like this. I like your nyash.
That is saying you are sorry.
Sorry means.
Look at what you're doing.
Sorry means that incident you see in you're sorry. That's why.
So that means you will never change.
Oh, I'm changed.
You have to change. Oh, madam, you have to be a good kid. Or you think you are taller than your madam, so
no, madam means so.
It doesn't matter. I'm still your madam.
And it's true. And that's why I like your phone. That's why I see that. Okay, we'll meet you another day. Okay.